Hi and welcome to this unboxing of the Alpine SKE 1725S speakers. These are 6.5 inch 16cm speakers, 220 watt peak output, coaxial two-way speakers, 220 watts peak and a 40 watt RNS. And it shows all the manufacturers it goes in, but this will be going in a Citroen C1 on the rear parcel shelf. Let's open these up. Box, right. You can show the little tweeters pointing through. Oh, right. Oh, there's the two speakers. There we are. There's one. Quite good. Same again on the back. 220 watt peak, 40 watt RMS, IMP 44 ohms. Correct two-way speaker system, and two little prongs to fit on. Okay. Right. Those back in there. Obviously we get the same with the other one, and a little box of what looks like, I'm guessing those little sort of bracket type items go around the parcel shelf and screws hold them on. Don't seem to be any nuts to hold together. Don't know if we've got those, but I'll have to have a look into those. Okay, this has been an unboxing of the SKE 1725S 6.5 inch Alpine speakers. Thanks for watching.